Guys, I'm trying to look for the chips right now. Whoa, my favorite. We got one left. Hot and spicy chicken, dude. That's gonna burn a hole in my stomach, but screw it. And then I don't know if you ever had these chips, chat, but these chips right here, especially this flavor, fire. For $2. I spent this is $3.98 with a drink. I still got a drink to get. $3. $4. This is hella weight worth food. We put heavy onions in here. We have onions in here. The Spread Network is spreading.